Every day starts the same. But how I see it, that's where everything changes. A blank script, a beat waiting to drop, a story waiting to unfold. My voice paints the moment, and my music set it free. My lens, it doesn't just capture life, it moves with it. Through chaos and calm, and light or in shadow, it follows the rhythm of my world. Silently, effortlessly, like it already knows what I want to say. Because in this life, creation never stops. It adapts, it flows, it flies. It's not about big gears or fancy setups. It's about being there, in the moment, in motion. Because every frame counts, every sound, every story. It's all part of the ride. DJI Neo.